We have matrix A. Okay, matrix A has two eigenvectors. The first one, the green one, 1 minus 1. The second one, the red one, 1 minus 8. And the two associated eigenvalues are minus 2 and 5. Okay, we know that AE equals E lambda, or AP equals PD is really the same thing. I want to show you why it's like the same thing. Okay, so AE or AE, and we put it underneath, there's A, and our eigenvector 1, 1 minus 1, there's AE. Okay, and you can see it here. There's A multiplied by the first eigenvector. Okay, don't worry about the red, the second one, just think about the green first, alright? Right, and that equals AE equals lambda E, or E lambda, I'm doing it the way around, E times lambda, and the lambda is minus 2, isn't it? Put it in red, or in green. Okay, so there you go. You got AE equals lambda E. And here you got A times E equals, there's my lambda, times E. And one way of multiplying this out is just doing 2 times 1 minus 1 plus 5 times 1 minus 8. Now if you multiply this out, you will get minus 2, 5, 240. Okay, you'll get minus 2, 5, 240. And if you multiply this out, you'll also get minus 2, 5, 240. Okay, so this is eigenvector times minus 2, eigenvector times eigenvalue. Okay, and this is the same for the second eigenvector and eigenvalue. Okay, so 540 is 1 minus 8, 1 minus 8, there you go, 1 minus 8, times 5, there's your 5. Okay, 1 minus 8, vector 1 minus 8 times 5 is 540. Okay, and now I've got the second eigenvector. So the second eigenvector is 1 minus 8, eigenvalue 5. Okay, there's the 1 minus 8, and there's the eigenvalue 5. Okay, so A times E equals E times lambda, and you can see it here. There's the A, okay, and then multiplied by 1 minus 8, just like here, equals 1 minus 8, E, times 5. And there you go, 540. Well, 1 minus 8 times 5 is 540. So what I'm saying is that AP equals PD is just AE lambda E, both eigenvectors and values combined. Okay, obviously this is not a proof, this is just a way of seeing how, it's just an example of AP equals PD and how it works.